processing of fresh fruit bunch (FFB) in a palm oil mill involves two main processes, namely extraction of palm oil from the palm mesocarp and recovery of palm kernel at the kernel recovery plant. For the kernel recovery plant, the conventional system adopted at the mill separates 20% light shell and dust using a dry separation winnowing column, and 80% heavy shell and kernel are separated using a wet separation system. The wet separation system can either be by hydrocyclone or clay bath, both of which use water for performing the desired separation. This is undesirable as it results in a large quantity of effluent. It is termed as an undesirable process operation due to its adverse environmental impact. Almost all palm oil mills in Malaysia employ the wet separation system for the separation of kernel from the shell. In 2007, MPOB, in collaboration with Hufa Engineering Works Sendirian Berhad, embarked on a project to develop an effective system to separate kernel from shell using a dry separation system that does not generate any effluent at all from the kernel recovery plant. The commercial evaluation of the system was conducted at two mills under Felda Palm Industries located in Negeri Sembilan and Johor in 2009 and 2012 respectively. In 2009, MPOB, Hufa and Felda Palm Industries successfully commissioned and tested a four-stage winnowing column for kernel shell dry separation, which resulted in a significant increment in kernel recovery, less clay consumption in the clay bath separation system, and less effluent discharge. This four-stage winnowing column still used some water, and so MPOB, Hufa and Felda continued to collaborate to develop an improved version of this technology to achieve a completely dry separation system of kernel recovery using a five-stage winnowing column technology that totally eliminates the use of the wet separation system. This invention offers numerous benefits to the millers in terms of increase in kernel extraction rate of between 0.3% to 0.6%, reduction in overall operational costs due to less maintenance, no clay consumption and no treatment cost of the effluent, and additional income generated through sales of the dry shell for value-added applications. The success of this invention is the result of synergistic cooperation between MPOB and the industry in revolutionizing the palm oil milling technology and to satisfy the needs of the oil palm industry. This technology, which is jointly owned by MPOB, Hufa Engineering Sendirian Berhad and Felda Palm Industries Sendirian Berhad, has been adopted by the industry. 9 units of 4-stage and 5-stage winnowing columns are now in operation and the numbers are increasing. This is another of MPOB's contributions towards achieving zero waste, income maximization and sustainability for the oil palm industry.